All right, so I know you got this 40 question assignment in front of you. I'm going to go through here and work them out. Okay, on number one, the only thing we need to do here is divide both sides by -6. All right, the -6 divided by -6 will cancel out, and so you're left with x equals 24 divided by -6, which is -4. On number two, you've got x divided by x divided by 5 is equal to 9. To cancel out the division by 5, we're going to multiply both sides by 5. So just clearing that denominator. All right, the multiplying by 5 and the dividing by 5 cancel each other out. And so I'm left with x equals 9 times 5, which is 45. All right, number 3. Some number plus 5 is equal to -7. So to cancel out the addition by 5, I need to subtract 5 from both sides. Here we go. So the plus 5 and -5 are going to cancel, and we're left with x equals -7 minus 5, which is -12. Okay. Number 4, this one is a lot easier than you might think. It's just 18 minus what number is equal to 12? Well, hopefully you see that the answer is 6. 18 minus 6 will give you 12. But if you didn't see that, here are the steps. All right, you would move the 18 over, minus 18 from both sides. Okay, 18s would cancel, and you would get this negative x that would fall down. So negative x is equal to 12 minus 18, which is -6. All right, if negative x is equal to -6, then regular x is equal to regular 6. All right, what you do is you divide the equation by -1. That's how you get the positive 6 there. Okay, number 5. Just divide by 5, and you got it. Divide the equation by 5, and you're going to get x equals 13/5. And that is how you'll type in the answer on Canvas, since they want it as an improper fraction. All right, as a decimal, that would be 13 divided by 5 is like 2.6. All right. Number 6, we're going to divide by -9. Divide by -9. -9 divided by -9 is equal to 1. And so you're left with x equals whatever 15 over 9 is. So the two negatives cancel each other out. 15 and 9. So I know you can divide them by 3. So that would give you a 5 on top and a 3 on bottom. It'd be 5/3. All right, so if you divide top and bottom by 3, that's how I'm getting these numbers here. Okay. Number 7. So we've got 1/3 x is equal to 12. You could divide by 1/3, but the way hopefully that we've been doing it is just by clearing the denominator. All right, so to get rid of that division by 3 there, we're going to multiply the whole equation by 3. All right, so multiply both sides of the equation by 3 is what we're going to do. That's going to leave us with a 1x, because the 3 cancels with that 3. And then on the right-hand side, you're going to have 3 times 12, which is 36. Okay, number 8. So what you can do is take that negative and, just think of that negative down here in the denominator there. There we go. I'm choosing where to put that negative. So I've really got x over negative 5, or x divided by negative 5 is equal to 3. So I'm going to clear the denominator, multiply both sides by negative 5. So multiplying by negative 5, the negative 5 and the negative 5s are going to cancel each other out here. And then on the right-hand side, you're going to have negative 5 times 3. And so that's going to leave you with negative 15 on the right-hand side. And then on the left-hand side, they just the negative 5s cancel. Okay, number 9. 5 minus some number is equal to negative 4. You might see what the answer is. You might not. So the steps are, I'm going to move the 5 over, subtract 5 from both sides. All right. 5 minus 5 is 0, so I'm left with negative x is equal to negative 4 minus 5. That's going to be negative 9. And then what you would do here is divide by negative 1. Get my pen a little bit smaller. Divide by negative 1, and that's going to leave you with x equals regular 9. Negative 9 divided by negative 1 is regular 9. Okay, on number 10, you would divide by 20. It's 20 times x is what the problem says. So we got to divide by 20 to cancel that out. 20 divided by 20 is 1. And so you get x is equal to 4 over 20. You can simplify that down to 2/10, which will simplify one more time to 1/5. All right, that'll be the simplified answer on that one. Okay, that's good for this video.